Well, I can't believe it. I just threw some stuff together. I've got a volt regulator set at 7 volts to a smoke heater that I had taken off of my diesel Alco. I just borrowed it, okay, and I put the board in, and I've got it on my track power, which is all-wheel pickup. Okay, so every wheel now is putting power into that board. So if you have dirty track or whatnot, you'll be fine. Now, this is not the perfect setup for what I want, which is the Caboose, but I wanted to show you this would be the device, a little smaller, and there's the smoke we're getting out of it, a very lazy smoke coming out of the Caboose. I don't know. Huh? It could be. It could be. This will fit, I know. I've tested it. This is a little too tall, but I have another box where I can shrink it a little more, and I put a pot on the motor so I can trim the motor to the right speed, and there, that is, without putting the body on it, that is smoking Caboose, I think. Oh, yes, this is going to happen. And all-wheel pickup. Yes. Think it over, gang. Who needs it? Who wants to help me finish this? I'm just psyched out. It worked out. It's great. And it's only 5:30. Oh, geez. I got it done in one afternoon. Okay, I gotta go. You know who's gonna be after me. She who must be obeyed. She's a brute, I'll tell you. She'll whip me into shape. Look at that smoke going down. Is that fun? All right. I'll let it go. Later, gang.